Today I'm showing you behind the scenes of my analytics for my YouTube channel for 40,000 subscribers and how my analytics were for October 2021. I'm also going to do a video showing my analytics for this channel, which has 150 subscribers, so totally different, showing 45,000 versus 150. So definitely check out that video as well. So here is my channel, and let's go to my analytics. So I'm going to go to YouTube Studio, and I am super transparent about my numbers. I share it all. So here is my dashboard, and I'm going to go to Analytics, and then I'm going to filter for October. I did it last month as well, so we're going to look at October's now. All right, so October, my channel got 51,372 views, which says, meanwhile, your channel gained subscribers at a lower rate and earned less revenue than usual. So my channel is down right now compared to what it usually is. So you can see here that it's the lowest that it's been for the past year, which really sucks. Last month was low in September at 65,000, and this month was even lower at only 51,000. So guys, give me some views on my main channel. Let's see here. And it says fewer people discovered your content and subscribed, less revenue from ads. And then it shows here, let me get rid of this little box. Let me refresh and it'll go away. Okay, so my top videos this period, so for October, was Why I Don't Follow Dave Ramsey Anymore. It was 39 views. Average view duration of 42%. Next was How to Enter Code and Fetch Rewards, 32% average view duration, 2,800 views. Then All-Inclusive Vacation to the Excellence El Carmen in Punta Cana, and that was 32% duration, 2,300 views, and you can see the rest here. And then let's look at reach. So reach looks at impressions, click-through rate, views, and unique viewers. So the graph was pretty consistent this month, which is good. It was 626,000 impressions, which is down 18%. You can see it's down across the board. YouTube is just, I've talked to some of my other YouTube friends, and they said that their analytics are down as well. So it's not just me, but it still sucks. Traffic sources. Number one is YouTube search at 51.2%. Next is browse at 13.7%. External is 11.5%. Suggested is 9.7%. Channel pages is 4.1%. And then other is 9.8%. And then Google search, Facebook, YouTube search, DuckDuckGo, and Bing. Playlist, you can see my playlist. Traffic sources for YouTube search, Fetch Rewards, Excellence El Carmen, Money Saving Deals, Money Saving, Excellence El Carmen, and suggested videos as well. Then let's see here. Click-through rate, 5.1%. Views is 51.4 thousand. And then unique viewers is 36.7. Next is engagement. So watch time hours is down 20%, 3.6 hours. Average view duration is up 3%, so that's good, 4 minutes, 10 seconds. Then you can see here the graphs. So this one is good. This is pretty steady. 81% are still watching at 30 seconds, which is great. Hacks to pay off your mortgage early. And you can see the graph here of where the drop off is. This gray is where the normal is for my channel, typical retention, and then the pink is that video. So you can see that the pink is a little bit above, which is great. Then minimalist easy habits, you can see the same thing, and then it dips low here, which isn't as good. Easy life hacks, it above all the way through. That's great. Let's see this one. 5 cents you're doing better with money, above pretty much all the way through. 5 savings challenges. And this one was way above. This is great. Great news. And then let's see, top videos. For watch time hours was 50 frugal saving hacks, was 289 minutes. Why I Don't Follow Dave, Operation Christmas Child. Let's see, top posts, playlists, videos by end screen, and top cards. And let's look at audience. So returning viewers, 4.4 thousand. Then this graph here, this is one of my favorite graphs to show me what time is best to upload. And this is from TubeBuddy. So I only have access to this because of TubeBuddy. So definitely check out TubeBuddy. I'll have them linked down below in the description box. I love TubeBuddy. So it tells you best weekly day to upload is Monday at 3 p.m. And then if I did want to upload on these days, it tells me the best time. Other videos your audience watched. This tells you this. This is great info if you want to see what other people are watching. Subscriber bell notifications, 15.8%, 7.2 thousand. Let's see. Top geographies are United States, Canada, UK, India, and Australia. Watch time from subscribers. Not subscribed is 80.6%. And then subscribed is 19.4%. Most people don't have no subtitles. Age and gender, 60.2% is female, 39.8% is male, and then the age range, you can see most are millennials there. Then let's see, unique viewers and subscribers. So I've dipped a couple days. These are typically when I talk about my pregnancy, I dip, which sucks. But 194 new subscribers this month. And what everyone wants, the revenue. So this month made $873.98, which is down 15%. My RPM did go up 9%, which is awesome. So 17.2%. We're now getting into holiday season, so CPM and RPM are going to be up because advertisers are going to be paying more in October, November, and in December, which is awesome. And then January, it dips way down. Playback CPM is 25.8, up 5%. That's great. You can see typical days. This is the CPM. Let me go to revenue. So typically on a day, I was making $24, $25, $28, $31, $34. I think is the peak here. Let me see what this 35.55 is the peak on a day that I made. Then let's see monthly revenue. You can see that October is pretty low compared to the other ones there. Top earning videos. Top earning video was Why I Don't Follow Dave Ramsey Anymore. And let me go into this. This is one of my favorite pages because I can see the CPMs at a glance. So I can see this video, Get Upside Review, has $80.88 CPM, which is awesome. Let me see if we got any other. This one, multiple streams of income by age 30, is 68. Ooh, we got a $100 one here. 5 passive income ideas that earn $1,000. You can see the ones that are talking about making more money typically have higher CPMs. And then the ones about saving money typically are lower CPMs, just on average. So the one How to Shop at Aldi is only $18. Cleaning hacks is only $14. So you can see here, I love this. And so you can see your estimated revenue for the video, your estimated ad revenue, the monetized playbacks, your CPM, YouTube Premium. I don't pay attention to these two columns here. So that's that. I am on that graph all the time. Revenue sources, so top is ad revenue, transaction revenue is $10.29, and then YouTube Premium is $6.51. And the ad types, and that is revenue. So that is my analytics for my channel for having 45,000 subscribers. And let me see how many videos I put out in October. So I had this one, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos that I put out. So 2 videos a week in October, which was awesome. So those are my analytics for my channel at 45,000 subscribers. Definitely check out comparing to only 150 subscribers on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my main channel as well.